Okay, it's Coral Gable Ale House. Okay, what we did is we stopped where the existing roof stopped. And now we're having problems with, which I initially, when I talked to y'all about the fact of, you know, the walls, Roger, you can remember how the walls were. They're just all funky, which, you know, in the first video I sent you, it showed the same thing. But now what we're having is, I've been back twice with a roof leak, and I'll send you the video that where he cut. You know, it's soaking through that friggin' wall and running behind the counter flashing that was initially there. Right here where he's got that little bit of caulking right there, you'll see a video there where he just poured water in a crack, and it just ran, you know, just poured right through. You know, I was trying to get away from, you know, a high expense of, you know, putting some kind of board, you know, having to put a friggin', you know, some kind of a dens deck, something fastened to the wall down up to there and then terminate at the top, because, you know, it steps in and out. It's, well, you remember it, Roger. This thing was really funky, but now it's becoming an issue. I've been down here twice, which, you know, I'll do anything. And, you know, he's finding places there where he's chipping off where they put stucco over old roofing. They stuccoed right over the old membrane. And so where the old membrane was, it's just running behind it. We're getting, you know, places just like right there even. We'd had some water there where they did a patch in the stucco. On the other side over here, you know, we siliflexed the top of this wall, you know, years ago. Haven't had any problem with that. But now, we got a couple problems where, you know, you can just see where they patched something with the stucco. And we're just having, you know, we're getting water in there. And this one here actually was right over the friggin', all of his equipment for the TV and stereo stuff. So I'm gonna seal it up the best I can. This here you can't really put a Siliflex because it's not a smooth finish. It's just got humps and bumps, and you know, it's just it's a little funky. I was trying to so we got a hole right there. We'll have to try to fill that in with something. I was trying to keep the cost down of not trying to go up on the top and put some kind of coping or something. So that was, you know, the reason that we just went to where the existing roof stopped, so we could make it watertight and still be in a, you know, in a fair budget. But I don't want to have to keep, you know, you can actually look and see how many plies of roofing has been on here over time. There's, you know, that's like 14 layers of different roofing, and then they, you know, just to give you a look from down, looking at this to kind of give it some depth. Steps in, steps out, you know, steps out again. So I'm taking this video just so you'll know what I'm dealing with here.
Yeah. A ver, dale. Hey Bill, look at this. All the water is where it's going to. Right there.